A solar light is a light that charges using sunlight through a solar panel and stores energy in a battery. How it works? It charges during the day and automatically turn on at night using the stored energy. No electricity or wiring needed. Benefits: saves electricity, useful during brownouts, and adds safety to yards and gate, and etc.